rest of these tomatoes. We got a ton of them here. I'm turn these into chili or something. Yeah. A lot of them down here. A lot of small ones. Watch where you're walking. To pick some beans here. I just noticed we got some radishes, so might as well get those out of the ground while I'm here. These grew small. I forgot I even had them in here, to tell you the truth. Get those out of the way. Then I'm going to pick the beans. That's the main reason I came in here. So let's get these radishes out of there. Got to get the beans. They're in here. They are in here. We got a little bucket full of them already. Got some more behind me I got to get at. And we got to pick the peppers over here also. And we're going to get these peppers here. Got some peppers here yet. We'll be cooking those. It's not that big, but we're taking that one, taking that one, and taking that one. That's 3. Oh! And we'll see what we got over here. Some little ones. This one here is going to go bad. Let's get this one and this one. This one virtually fell off. This one's being eaten by something already. And then we got this red one. Let's get this one off of here. That's the only one we got here. That's a beauty. That's a nice one. The only one we got. So now we got some banana peppers and a mess of peas or beans. Oh, here's another pepper here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some more peppers, banana peppers. Beautiful red bell pepper. Got some more on the plant that aren't red yet. And a good handful of beans for dinner today or tomorrow. We're having stuffed peppers today with stuffed mushrooms. Got a few little radishes. Another.
So that's at least 8 pounds.
There's about another 8 to 10 pounds of tomatoes in there. We'll see what we do with them later. And then she picked all this beautiful Swiss chard and spinach. Somebody out there said, "Take it easy there, Popeye." I don't know. I love my spinach. I can't get enough of it because it's homegrown and it tastes delicious. And you can't beat it. You just rinse it off and you boil it up, steam it down, add some butter, salt, pepper, whatever your likings, and she's good to go. But today we're having stuffed peppers and mushrooms. Stuffed peppers today. I love these things. Stuffed mushrooms with onions, Philadelphia cheese, onions, all kinds of cheeses and stuff. We love them here at the Vineyard. Why wouldn't we? We'll show you when they come out of the oven or going in my stomach, one of the two. The stuffing of the peppers and the mushrooms. The wife's having a tough time out here, but they look beautiful. We picked this from the garden today. Too bad we can't grow our own mushrooms. I just don't want to do that. Just don't want to do that. The stuffing is cream cheese, peppers, Italian sausage, pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Some good stuff.
Where'd you get pepperoni from?
I don't be correcting me no more over here! You're always correcting me! I don't know what's in there, I'm just kidding. And then over here we got the, oh my god.
A zillion tomatoes.
It's got to be 10 pounds, another 10, 15 pounds. We'll weigh them. And we're going to maybe try something different with these. And go into make a nice chili or something. But we're sick of tomatoes here. That's the 4th picking.
5.
5th picking. I didn't put up the goulash video yet. About 6 or 7 peppers from the garden. I lost count there. I'll go back on the video maybe and look at them before we cut them up. I did throw one away that was not in good shape. But here's the stuffed mushrooms. The wife did a banged up job on it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those. This is going to be dinner tonight. It's just awesome, awesome, awesome. She's an award-winning cook. Thank God she's Thank God she hooked up with me. How you doing? Go into the oven. Nice. It'll be done in about 35 minutes.
About that.
Roughly 35, 40 minutes. And the Swiss chard and spinach is in. Swiss chard and spinach. Like, you really need to see that out there. Don't give a crap whether you watch this or not. But it's Swiss chard and spinach. Lovely, lovely, lovely Swiss chard mixed with spinach with a little bit of butter. And then we come over to the lovely, lovely, lovely mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms, and the lovely, lovely peppers. So we're going to get into this lovely, lovely meal. Dynamite.